You know, few things go together like New York City and happy hour. Today we are celebrating National Happy Hour Day with an East Village bar that recently ranked 27th in the world by London
in the world. That's cool. SUPERBUENO is a Mexican-American cocktail bar that celebrates the owner's Mexican heritage and his life right here in New York City. And joining us this morning to raise a glass on this holiday is Ignacio Nacho Jimenez. So welcome to New York Living.
Thank you for having me, guys. So excited to be here with you.
I mean, congratulations.
That's
Thank
huge.
you. That is huge, indeed.
The world is a big place.
Yeah.
I know.
And you're
I know. As far as I know, it's the first Mexican-American bar to be ranked 27. Best new opening for 2024. And best bar in the U.S. by the 50 Best in North America.
How does that happen?
Yeah.
A lot of 20 years of work in the industry.
Oh, I know,
yeah.
right.
Took him 20 years to become an overnight success.
Exactly. That's my favorite saying.
That's right.
That is the favorite.
Well, bravo to you.
Yeah. For folks who may not know, Nacho is your nickname. Where did that come from?
That comes from Ignacio. Basically, every Ignacio that you guys meet gets the nickname Nacho. So probably the guy who invented the nachos. First name was Ignacio.
Oh.
And they just call
I did
it
not
Nacho.
know that.
Now you know. An interesting fact.
SUPERBUENO. Tell us about it.
So SUPERBUENO is a Mexican-American cocktail bar inspired by the pop and street culture of Mexico and my journey here in hospitality in Mexico. So we feature a lot of street food, kind of an adaptation to New York, and a lot of cocktails the same way, you know, kind of an adaptation into what our lifestyle here is in New York with some Mexican flair to it.
Okay, so we're celebrating National Happy Hour at SUPERBUENO.
Yes.
What's happening first? What are you offering first for happy hour?
We actually call happy hour La Buena Hora.
Perfect.
Which normally runs Monday to Fridays. Monday to Thursday from 4 to 7. Fridays from 2 to 7 p.m.
They start early on Fridays.
Yeah, they do.
There we go. We never give away the summer Fridays.
That's right. Good for you.
So today we're offering a selection of tacos, which we normally offer a la carte. We have our birria tacos. We also offer pork belly tacos. This is our pastor yakitori tacos, which is a little different from what the pastor you normally know. Obviously, it wouldn't be a happy hour, as you guys said, without the guacamole and chips. And some very classic esquites. Yeah, and we also have some very cool beverages. I'm actually going to make you one right now.
Okay, go. I'm going to get out of your way. I know.
Yes.
I'm just going to keep an eye on the chips and guac for you.
Okay, just making sure they're safe over there.
Safeguard them.
Luckily for all of us, this drink it's already comes all carbonated and ready to go.
Okay.
This is an infusion. This is our famous vodka y soda, which is an infusion of vodka with pasilla and guajillo peppers. And then we do a clarification of something called guava puree. Mix it with a little bit of falernum and force carbonate everything into this bottle. So you'll have a nice ice cube. Yes.
That's very pretty. What did you put on the rim?
Guava salt. So
Guava salt.
we start with a very, very, very thick puree. And then we do a couple of passings through a very fine strainer that helps us clarify it and keep very clear.
It smells so good.
And then whatever we're left over with, which is a lot of the pulp, gets mixed with Maldon salt and a little bit of guava and guajillo pepper. You guys should try it, really, that drink. It's really amazing.
No wonder you are known around the world. Just drink this straight like this.
Yes, please. Yes.
I'm going to see what happens here. I'm going to get some of the guava salt also. That is really good.
Yeah.
It tastes like it's good for me. Almost like kombucha.
It's a nice and easy drink for this morning.
That's what I'd say. It's good.
Yes.
So this is a sample of what you would expect at happy hour.
Exactly. We offer the vodka y soda as well as the Fresca tonic, which is a variation on a gin and tonic.
I'll try that.
Done with mezcal, prickly pear, and a fermented drink called lechuguilla. Also bright, refreshing, fruity.
That is delicious.
What is this on top?
That is SUPERBUENO. Let me just tell you.
This is a dehydrated nopal.
Okay, well, I will like all the hydrated and dehydrated things. Nacho, Ignacio, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me, guys. This is amazing.
Oh, my gosh. Check out SUPERBUENO's happy hour Monday through Thursday, 4 to 7. Friday, they get started early, 2 to 7. And you know what? Easy to remember, first and first.